Did you know that men are twice as likely as women to leave a dirty diaper or doggy doo bag in the car overnight? If you answered yes, well, a little weird that you knew that. But in the proverbial battle of the sexes, where car cleanliness is concerned, according to a recent Jiffy Lube study, men and women both can be pretty disgusting. But with this season of renewal upon us, it's time to put aside such meaningless differentiators and come together to wipe the slate and our cars clean, a chore which 90% of respondents to a recent Cars.com study said they'd be doing themselves. We have suggestions to help you prioritize tasks, so take a deep breath, hold your nose, and spring to action on spring car cleaning. Start with the outside of your car. Scrub your tires first using a tire cleaning spray and a firm brush. Now wash the body top to bottom with a car wash product and using the 2-bucket method, one containing clean soapy water and the other dirty rinse water. Now give it a good hose down, and while you're at it, spray off the underbody. Then dry with a clean microfiber towel. Now you're ready to move on to the interior. Remove all that clutter accumulated over the winter months that never made their way to the trash can. Use a mild cleaning spray and microfiber cloth on the dash, console, and other surfaces. Vacuum the seats, floor mats, rugs, and trunk. Clean floor mats, scrubbing rubber ones with soapy water and carpeted ones with carpet cleaner. Or you could spring for a professional detail job if you feel like dropping a couple of C notes. But dudes, even if you decide to leave it to the professionals, at least take those dirty diapers out first.